Hello everyone and welcome to Bullet Journaling with Eva. Today, for the first time ever, we are going to design a travel spread. I tried to include everything that I need and that is necessary for a fabulous trip. You will need a bullet journal, some aquarelle pencils, a brush and water, a ruler, some acrylic markers, a double-sided marker, an Unipin point liner, and a pencil and eraser. So let's go straight into it. And let me first share with you what I want to work on today. Here I have a little decoration and some items to pack. Then I have space to write down dates. I also have a Malta bucket list and an expense tracker. Let's start by designing the daily logs. I will measure half of this page and I will fold the page in half so I can see the decoration on both of these spreads. I will fold it equally on both sides. Then I will take this dual tip marker from Amazon and I will write down the dates for each day. I am starting from the 15th, which is Tuesday, and the reason for that is that I wanted to include here only days when we are on our vacation. This is the reason why. Now I will erase all of the pencil marks that guided me to find where the halves of the page are. Now I will find a better space and then I will take my Unipin point liner in 0.2 size and I will write down the first 3 letters of each day so I know exactly what days corresponds to which date. And when I am done with that, we are going to start easily decorating these 2 spreads. First, I will start by drawing this little sign that has a quote on it. It's not a real quote, but it's something that can inspire you, and I will combine the Unipin point liner, which is black liner, and fine tip of dual tip purple marker. I will write "This way to the next adventure." I will write adventure in calligraphy. If you want to learn how to do calligraphy, I will link that video here. You can also find some worksheet that you can practice calligraphy on. Then, at the bottom of that page, I will write items to pack. And the bullet points will be in purple and the items will be in black. Now I will do the same thing with the other page. Here I will write down Malta bucket list. And if you want to recommend some things to do while I'm in Malta, let me know in the comment down below. Then I will write down the next quote. Not all who wander are lost, some just plan well. I will also draw my little expense tracker and I will track how much money we spent on food, tickets, transport, and some extras like gifts or something like that. Now this part is done and it's time to decorate the last page. Because this is still my July setup, I will draw a little jellyfish and I'm still using the same colors, dark blue, light blue and purple, that perfectly work together to create this little cosmic moment. Then I will take my Ohuhu Nahuku acrylic marker and I will draw little stars because we are still in my celestial theme year, and with the white marker I will add some dots. Now let's check what we have here. I tried to decorate this spread in the same way as I did my July setup. Then I have some items to pack. Those are just things that you are supposed to take on your travels. When I plan everything, I will take a picture and post it to my community page so you can see what I have planned and maybe get inspired as well. Here you can see that you can still see these little decorations of jellyfish even when you are on the first page. Then I have my Malta bucket list, must-see places, and food I would like to try. If you have any ideas about what I should try, please leave me a comment down below. Then I have space for an expense tracker, a little quote, and some decoration on this spread. If you enjoyed this video, please like it. And don't forget to subscribe so you never miss any of my future videos. Next week, I have one spread that I want to share with you, and we will do it in real time. So I will not speed up anything. I hope to see you next week. Bye!